Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can add subtitles automatically within CapCut. So first of all, what we need to do is head over to our CapCut app. So if I just head over and click on CapCut right here, this is the main page that you will be brought to, and you just need to simply click on new project, and once we click on this you can then select a project from your camera roll right here. So I'll just select this one right here, and this is what the audio sounds like. So this is a tutorial video for YouTube, and I'm going to show you how you can add subtitles to your video. So just something really simple, and if I want to add subtitles to this, what I can do then is click on add. Once I click on add, this will add this to my timeline, and what I can do now is I can click now on the text option. Once I click on text, as you can see, there is now an option for auto captions, so just click on the auto captions option. Once we do this, we will then be able to select original sound. So I'm going to select the original sound option and then click on the start button, and then that will go ahead and create auto captions by auto obviously detecting your voice. As you can see, it's then added it to my timeline, and what we can do now, as you can see, it's just a boring white text right here. So what we can do now is we can click on style, so click on obviously the one that you want, click on style, and then you can choose from any of these right here, or you can obviously just manually do it yourself. For me, I will click on this yellow text right here. It looks really nice, it's really vibrant, and it is really easy to see on the video. So once you have obviously gone ahead and done this, you can also change the text up here if you want to do that. So once you have done that and you're happy with what it says and stuff like that, click on the tick option, and then that will obviously go ahead and then add that effect to that text. What we can do then is just go ahead, scroll through, and make sure it's added to all of your text throughout your video, and then when you're happy, as you can see, if we make this full screen, we can go ahead now and play this, and this is how these subtitles would look when you've added them on CapCut. It's really simple, really easy to do, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.